The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has unveiled its list of 26 candidates for the upcoming district council elections in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills set for the 21st of February 2025. MPCC President Vincent H made the announcement during a press conference on the 19th of December 2024 at the Congress Bhavan in Shillong. Of the 26 candidates, 15 are from the Khasi Hills and 11 from the Jaintia Hills. Pala emphasized that the selection of candidates reflects the party's commitment to providing strong and dynamic leadership focused on the welfare and aspirations of the people of Meghalaya.
Nilaray katuk aniki candidates kat sangut na po KHADC but katbegut na KHADC kiba tam ngin sele hadin na mar kidon ki sit kiba bun kiba apply ni hable work ni hab persang ban penban ka consensus na do block do district kata kada wangi klem la ban rai baro sen rai dengan hable work haga jo ko porro ni sio don kam hi swa ka Christmas ni deban declare ki candidates ki jongi namar ki biru ki kmil ti barabor hi ba kat pan pat declare ka Congress imat ka movement ro kam pat don tengi satanat ba min IP mata la don meeting la pass Delhi ila yok ka approval on the Delhi but they pan announce the matter has been submitted to the Home Ministry. Once Bapanskan went to the Home Ministry and give further suggestions, then they said the chapter is closed, then we withdrew. So it is not that we just withdrew like that. I personally went to Delhi. Salang himself wrote a letter, we told them. So we have done our homework. I think the question of playing a gimmick doesn't arise. We try our level best. Genuinely, we want to help the people. So I don't think that whatever that blame, whatever they say, is that's a lame excuse. They understand because they are part of the team also. It's not only us. Rather, in the committee latest submitted by them, so the UDP was there and also the NPP were there. So this is what is actually the decision. That's why we joined because of the time, and we left also because of the time of the 6 schedules for amendment and recommendations. The question doesn't bear any fruit, doesn't arise because the officials from Delhi and the government official who came here and we discussed with them. So the question of doesn't arise. Since they came here, we discussed with them and we also submitted. So after our job has done, so let us see now until the government agreed or put it in Parliament. Naturally, people will blame that. But once it is finalized in Parliament, then only we'll see whether it's fruitful or not. So it's we have justified it, and it's up to people. But I think the people also knows well better than us. The amendment of 6 schedule is very important. You cannot close our eyes and see because we are scared of the election, we may not win, we are scared of these other, we close our eyes. At the same time, we should not also stay long there because we are no longer required. Whatever we are supposed to do, our job is done. That's why we pull up. There's no questions of 1 month before election. As of today, the election has not been announced. So how can you say this 1 month? It may be the government is used to extend it. It may be extended also. So that's only in the perception. Up to now, the government has not announced the election, have not notified. So we have left it not because of the time we left it purely because we have done our job.